Wagwan to people, them, where they are again, me and my old lady, Miss Lana. And now I remember one time when you did tell me about one story where you say your sister did get take away when you did young.
Yeah.
How that go?
Yes, all right. We live on place named Suffers Park.
That in a
When,
St. Thomas.
yes, in St. Thomas, when you pass Bath and go
Up,
round.
yeah.
Road.
Mm-hmm.
And my stepfather was a headman. So then give him the headman house to live, a big nice house. But we don't have no really neighbor so near we. One neighbor they live down the road. One little old man.
So it's a rural area, country area,
Yes,
bush
a country bush place, man.
Okay.
Banana walk.
Okay.
And you have to go way around before you go around at the district.
Okay.
So it was a very lonely place. Lonely place. And the which part them build the house, it was an old-time cemetery.
Pan the same land where the house built
Yeah,
cemetery?
right. Which part the house built was an old slavery.
Cemetery.
Cemetery.
Burying ground for slavery.
A burying ground.
Okay.
And all we know say it was a burying ground. We have inside kitchen and bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
And my mother wanted an outside kitchen. So she called some man now to dig down the place and we make up. She gonna make an outside kitchen. You see when them dig the place, gold ring, teeth, and all them things that them a dig up.
And bone?
Yes. So them have to cover it up back.
Oh, so them the old slave them from back in the days?
Yes, and then back in the days, them people they used to bury them dead with them gold and everything. So when the man them a dig the place up, and then gold, them a dig up. Everything with them bury now, with them a dig up. So we say no man, and then get rum and all them something there, and then bury them back. So when mama never ending up get the kitchen, outside. So we have a friend used to come keep a company at night time, one man named Mr. Sonny. A tall man. But my stepfather now, him plant up in front of the house, because in front of the house was like a little gully, go down. So him plant up the whole of the front part, that's all, with sweet potato. This night now, at night time now, the whole family used to come sit down out on the veranda, so till we're ready for sleep, sit down out, they talk story. Talk like mama, my mother, my stepfather, my sister, my brother. We sit down and talk.
How old you were at this time?
Me not really remember exactly.
Teenager or younger than that?
No, man, me a little pitney, man.
Oh, you're younger than that. Okay.
Because my sister was the baby.
Oh.
Not a little baby, because me did have my brother too. So, take for instance, she was about 5 or 6. But her father loved her. So, when we sit down out on the veranda night now, her father, she always go in her father's lap. And till we're ready for go in. And we sit down out there the night. You know, and only hear she say, Daddy, see Mr. Sonny, they go the whole of your potato them. And her father slap her up on her mouth and say, shut up, you don't see nothing. Anyway, we sit down same way, you know. We're not ready for going yet. We sit down on the veranda same way with everything. And the father hold her in her lap. I don't know the time when we're ready for go in. But when we're ready for go in, no baby.
That are your little sister?
That are my sister. She was about 6 or so.
The same one where say, tell daddy say...
Tell her father say, see Mr. Sonny, they go to all of your sweet potato then. But him know, say, she not to see something and talk. So he slap her up. And tell her, say, shut up your mouth, you don't see nothing. When we're ready for go in, the child not in her hand. And we run into the house and we say, then when she go in and you see when she go in and we run in the house and we start to search all over for the child. No way to find her. No way. And like so we have a tenant, we have a neighbor. We search. So till we decide to make back lamp. No. Because we not have no electric light, So we decided to make some whole heap of big back lamp. And we make some big lamp and we start to search outside because we figure out what happened.
Wow.
So the man when name Mr. Sonny, and him could take her out in hand. So we start to figure out that.
Hold on. So hold on. So this Mr. Sonny man no somebody wanna know.
No, the spirit coming at the shape of Mr. Sonny.
Oh, so this is a duppy where
Yes.
look like Mr. Sonny.
So, yes.
Where she did as she see him and because she
Yes.
see him and point him out.
Yes, because he
Oh.
look like Mr. Sonny, he coming at the shape of Mr. Sonny. So she said, look, Mr. Sonny, and they got the potato them there. But her father realized
See a
because
spirit, you see.
at night, how the hell Mr. Sonny if you down there dig potato? So daddy slap her up. Alright, daddy slap her up. So when we search all boats in the yard. All boat in the yard, we up and down in the night. I search for her, call her. Well, so anywhere we go, we call her. But the toilet now, say outside, we have outside toilet. We have outside toilet and we have inside toilet. When we have, because him did a head man, the government used to send water truck for give away water. So sometimes we don't have the water run out. So we have the outside toilet. And we go in at the toilet about 10 times and call her. No sound. We go behind the toilet. We look. We search the whole yard. No sound. And my mother did have a triplet. And the triplet then dead.
Mama did have a triplet?
Yes, 3 girl.
Eh?
And then dead.
You never know that.
And we bury them. When we go to the hospital, my sister carry them home. We bury them in our shoes box. We bury them behind the toilet. And we up and down the duppy they have we outside. So we must sit till about 12 o'clock at night or more.
So no they look for her for hours.
Yeah, man, for hours we can't go in. And we don't know which part she there.
Yeah. So are the duppy where she see.
Yeah, well, me did little bit, Me did
So
little
what
bit.
they say?
Me little bit. So me not really know. There's something there. But the bigger head them, like mama and her father and my sister, the bigger than me. And them realize. And me tell her, say, we search all over. No pitney. And me tell her, say, when the duppy they feel, say, boy, they must tired now. Let me give them her. And when we go back, we go back down at the toilet. And we call her. Say she named Rose. We call her. And we say, Rose. We hear it. Yes. And we call and we follow the sound. We go in the toilet because we hear the sound that come from the toilet.
Oh.
And when we go in the toilet, she not in there, we call, Rose. When we listen, we say, no man, she the outside. And when we go on at the back at the toilet, from the grave where the 3 little baby them bury, and she stand up.
From the grave where the triplet them bury?
Yeah. You can't even see the grave again because of dirt.
Dirt, yeah.
Yeah. But right there, she stand up. Right at the spot there, she stand up. Place where we search much in time. and no sound. So you can imagine, say, every time when we go down there, maybe she there, but we just can't
Can't
see
see
her.
her. Oh.
And we said, when we go down there, she said, yes. And we just lift her up. Our father just lift her up. And we come up. Well, me no know, me small, me uncle can know that.
So you see what go on. You see
Yes,
what go
yeah,
on.
me see what go on. And my brother now was the baby. You see, when we come in with her, the window them in the house was like, you know, the window they were in a school. That school, we call them school window.
Oh, them winner they stay.
You know the window them like where their primary school, the aluminum window.
Oh, the metal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And them window they did in the house. And man, the duppy then start to fling some stone
Pan the winner them.
through the window in the house.
So hold on there. So you see the stone them are coming to.
Yes, live stone them, the duppy them a fling in the house. And my brother was a baby upon the bed. And we have to grab up the baby and we run in our next room. Me mean real stone. The duppy then get mad. The duppy get mad. And I fling stone like hell in the house. And, well, me not remember nothing else after that. Like I made it small. But this, me can't forget.
Wow.
How the duppy take with my sister out of her father hand and decide to have we out there the whole night. That was something else, you know.
Wow.
That was something else. But after we hear, and that's the thing where I remember that decide to move.
To move from up there, so.
Yes, because sometimes my mother say, when she get up at night and she look through the window, because you know we used to sleep with the top window them crack. She see how much in duppy up on the hill. Them are go and market and them are busy and them are this, because the whole place is a whole time cemetery.
Burying ground.
So remember
and
that.
you know the whole time slavery burying ground, they then just throw them in at the hole and just cover up.
Remember that good pan this seeing the spirit, you know.
Mama can see spirit. Good.
Mama good pan. They don't miss mama. I mean, yeah, mama and them fight all the time. Yeah, man. I remember that have good spirit, you know.
Yeah.
Good spirit. She fight them, she cuss them and run them. But me not know. Oh, mama never see the spirit. She in disguise everybody.
That one are powerful.
Yeah, that one that blind the whole away eye.
And take away
when he come on the veranda and take away the little pit there. Me I tell you.
I'm mama maroon too, you know. Mama come from maroon family up in Portland there, so mama know them thing there.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
But that must be scary though. If the pit just gone out of the blue, so
just
I can't find them.
Just gone, just disappear. And look how bad it is. The baby disappear out of the father hand. And all the time he sit down there, he must see the baby in her hand and he must feel say have the baby until when we're ready for go in. The baby that time we realize say the baby not in her hand.
Wow. That's crazy, man.
Yeah.
And them thing that used to go on often back in them days, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Like Duppy take a picnic and something?
Yes, man.
Oh, yes, eh?
Yep. Before time, Duppy never used to go for ice, you know. So then Trang.
And that you tell me say when they used to they back at the house with zinc and ice with
yes, you just them dead today. You put ice on them and then bury tomorrow.
You say spirit did out and about in time the wicked.
Yeah, man. That's why people used to afraid so.
Back in the
days there. Because I saw spirit do by nephew too, you know. Yeah.
Me know you have only part of the story, but you say we could left that one there for next one. You say because the people them love your story now, the Duppy story them, but we left that one there for your next one.
I mean, I come with the next one better than this.
Yeah,
People
man.
got
Yeah,
surprised.
man. The next one. You see me? So, yeah, once again, people no hear another dopey story from Miss Lana, my old lady. So I say she full of story, man. I tell her say,
Yeah, man, I choose
yeah,
something,
yeah,
man.
me
I
believe
nasty
you, man.
story. I nasty story. Choose
And I
something.
nonsense something. But you remember when me a youth, I me used to sit down on your foot and beg you to tell me about the story, yeah?
Yeah,
And you
man.
just tell me about Duppy story and tell me about when you're there, when you're picnic and something. And something, me just love them thing there. That's why, me just want to just make a podcast now and just share
Yeah,
them, You know what
share it.
I mean? When you
Because
whole can
plenty
sit
of
down
people
and
not
listen
believe
them.
said up there now. But
Yeah,
nobody
I know everybody believe it.
no,
So, I
and
know
everybody
everybody.
believes said
But
up
you
there.
witness it.
But me no said up there. Me witness it.
True and true, you see it plain,
Yes,
yeah.
plain.
Yeah, for real. And everybody, but enough people where, cause people watch a video them in and them say them know what you are talking
Ah,
about. You see people where experience it
em-
and know what you are talking about.
yeah,
And people when experience it, them like to hear about your experiences, them, you know what I
yes.
mean? That Jamaican people want to hear what used to go on back in the days. So, and as me say, she have enough more video, and whole heap of story, you understand? And much respect to the people, who support and watch the channel. We have to tell the people, Nana.
Irie, I'm out of here.
You out of here? All right, people. Until
Bless
the
upon
next,
yourself.
yeah, man. Until the next video, bless.